Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Question 37, if you want to find the ratio of V out over E, so we have to actually redraw the circuit if you have difficulty seeing. So we can see that the current comes out from the positive here and splits to 2. So that's what I did first. Current comes out from E, splits to 2, which is 12 ohm and 2 ohm, 12 ohm and 2 ohm. Then after that, the 2 ohm continues along its way 4 ohm in series, and then joins back with the 12 ohm and then comes back to your cell. Now the voltmeter is just to measure the PD across 4 ohm. Now if it is a high resistance voltmeter, which is this high resistance voltmeter, we assume there will be no current here. So therefore this is not in parallel, right? So there's no splitting. We just assume that we're just measuring across the 4 ohm resistor. So to find the V out, so remember the total voltage across each parallel circuit, this is one parallel, this another parallel circuit, will be E. So the potential divider formula to find the 4 ohm PD across a 4 ohm resistor will be 4 over the total resistance in series, 4 plus 2, which is 6, then times the E. So you'll be able to get 2 over 3E. So therefore your V out equals to this. So therefore your V out over E is just 2 over 3.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.